Water level is just 2 to 3 feet below from the ground level. I am standing on the bund. Actually, if you see the depression, it is only 2 feet level. We have made a collection pond on the ravine, part of which is part of my property. As long as water is there in this, the well water level also will be higher. This is the stream other side, which have diverted water and kept in this thing. It is still flowing passively. This is indication of rich in groundwater level. If we do series of ponds and collection ponds and spillways and causeways. It's a little scary because wild grass is more than my knee level. I myself is a bit scared of snakes. Now see, this is the advantage of water. Beyond that, it will overflow into the river course. Beyond the trees is a river course. This is how we should smartly do the passive irrigation in a natural way. If you see when the full potentiality water level come up to root zone of the Acacia arabica, that time even in this also water will come. Right now only moisture is there. These are the teak trees I made for the sample to make a tree house. The branches have to be, side branches need to be trimmed and allow it to grow straight. After 15 feet or so, we should make what we call machan. That's the plan. Passive irrigation is very, very important. This is actually pump house. Initially I used to live in this and storeroom. So this is a lifeline for my open well which is here. Thank you.